What is going on, guys? So today we're checking out the Byer of Maine's Pangean Folding Stool. So let's unbox these things and take a look. First off, this stool is a breeze to set up. It arrives partially assembled, and all you've got to do is pop on the cross piece and the fabric. One other thing that I do want to quickly mention about these parts is that there's cross rails that come in here. You're going to find when you pull them out of the box that they are two different sizes, which is completely normal. That's because the way that this thing folds up, the internal, kind of the inside one is supposed to be a smaller one, and the outside one is a little bit wider so that they can actually fold together nice and smoothly. So when you see that these two rails are two different sizes, that's completely normal. Just follow the instructions to continue setting everything up. And now there's one little pro tip that I wanted to give you guys is if you use a little bit of soap on the screws, you'll have it assembled in no time. Trust me, it's super intuitive, especially with the new instructions that they have included in the packaging. Plus all the hardware you need is included along with an Allen key that is designed for use with an electric drill, but you certainly don't have to use a drill, especially if you use the tip with the soap that I gave you. You shouldn't need one at all. Now let's talk about materials. The folding stool is crafted with renewable curing wood or Eucalyptus Grandis, and it's dipped in oil to keep it looking fresh and conditioned for years, especially if you're going to be using this outdoors or for camping or anything like that. As you know, stuff can start to get dinged and nicked throughout the years. This is going to stay really nice looking for a long time. And the seat itself is made from heavy-duty polyester canvas that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, as you can see here, you can grab this in both natural and forest green depending on your vibe. I like the forest green. I think it's a really slick look, but if you kind of want like a nice, very clean style look, you can definitely go with the natural as well. Now, what I really love about the stool is its versatility. It's sturdy, durable, and perfect for the great outdoors. But also don't limit yourself. It's got a nice mid-range stain that can match most furniture, making it an excellent addition for indoor gatherings and casual hangouts as well. So lots of different use cases for this. And hey, if you're looking for a footstool or something compact to take to events, this is going to be a great option for that as well. Now, the other thing that's really great about this product in general is it's designed to match a lot of the other Byer of Maine products out there. So if you wanted to get this along with some of their other furniture, you're going to find that they work cohesively perfectly together and match really, really well. So if you're looking for setting up a coordinated look, they've got you with a wide range of chairs, gliders, and tables to suit your needs. So for some quick specs for those of you who love details, this wooden camp stool stands 16 inches deep, 18 inches wide, and 18 inches high, weighs at 6 pounds, and can hold up to 225 pounds. If you guys are looking for a practical, stylish folding stool, definitely consider checking out the Byer of Maine Pangean Folding Stool. But as usual, guys, I'll see you in the next video.